Hey, you need to try this cotton candy smoothie bowl if you're looking for extremely quick breakfast because this is just ideal for the on-the-go mornings. And if you have kids, this is going to be a hit with you. I was passing by the park recently and spotted a vendor selling lovely, fluffy and vibrant cotton candies, and this served as the inspiration for this cotton candy smoothie bowl. You already know that there are only two components in real cotton candy, that is refined sugar and food coloring. Worry not, because neither of the foods are present in the smoothie. Contrarily, it is entirely composed of nutritious elements, and I have made sure that it is quite sweet and healthy for you. So, to enjoy the sweet, delightful cotton candy the healthy way, let's get into the making of this colorful cotton candy smoothie bowl. Normally, pink, purple and blue are traditional cotton candy hues. Here I am using pink pitaya powder for the pink color. It is also known as pink dragon fruit powder, which is simply dried and processed into pink pitaya powder. I think pink pitaya alone, which adds a pop of vibrant pink to the cotton candy smoothie, is likely to brighten your day. It's a beauty booster, and by adding a little pink pitaya powder to smoothies, you can help your body improve digestion, lower insulin resistance, increase metabolism and maintain a healthy weight. Now check this antioxidant value given for various foods like walnut, pomegranate, spinach, and amongst all, pink pitaya is the highest, which is 1384, 137 times high. Now I'm also using butterfly pea powder for the purple color. It is produced from dried butterfly pea flowers. Its naturally glamorous color serves as an unbeatable natural dye for smoothies. Not only its hue is fascinating, but it also has a distinct aftertaste. All these natural hues are a great substitute for dangerous artificial colors. Yes, butterfly pea powder has anti-stress and anti-depression properties. It is so good for your skin and hair health or even diabetes. Furthermore, it reduces inflammation and good for your blood sugar regulation. You can also use blue spirulina powder to create a natural blue color if you prefer it to purple. I have made a video on an ocean smoothie bowl earlier using superfood blue spirulina powder. I promise you will love it. And if you don't know where you would get all these superfood powders, do check the description for links. For the recipe, you will also need 3 medium-sized frozen bananas and 1/4 cup coconut milk or any plant-based milk. Now add half of the banana chunks in the blender jar. Then add 1 teaspoon pink pitaya powder with half of the milk and blend until smooth. Look at this beautiful and gorgeous pink color. Now to make sure that your smoothie is sweet, you need to take a fully ripe banana with small brown spots. You can also add vanilla extract for that extra flavor. Now scoop the mixture into your bowl and keep in the freezer until we blend remaining ingredients so that it doesn't lose its texture. Now if you don't know the process of freezing a fruit, you can check my previous videos where I have shown multiple times the right way of freezing a fruit. If you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. It gives me motivation to create more such videos. I upload healthy vegan recipes every week. Oh, see this purple. I love it. Now add the purple smoothie in the bowl of pink smoothie for cotton candy presentation and add your preferred fruits on top. My cotton candy smoothie bowl recipe is vegan, refreshing, creamy, colorful, simple, quick and easy to make. It is so delicious, gluten-free, dairy-free, super thick, excellent fun and healthy dessert for kids. This is one of my favorite colorful smoothies of all that I have made. I have also posted videos on some nature-inspired colorful smoothies like sunset smoothie, mulberry galaxy smoothie, ocean blue smoothie bowl, and they taste amazing. This is so good. I will soon be coming up with more colorful recipes, so stay tuned. Let me know in the comment box what is the color of your cotton candy smoothie. Till then, let me eat this. I hope you love this smoothie. And if you are looking for more such colorful recipes, do write in the comment box. I will see you next. Eat clean.